Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is just open up your settings. Once you're there, just simply scroll down to the see wallpaper right here. Then tap on add new wallpaper right here. Once you're here, you'll have an option to add a new wallpaper. You could either go to your photos, which is here on the top left right here. You'll also have the photo shuffle, live photo, emoji, weather, astronomy, or color. When I click on astronomy, this will pop up. So as you can see, you could pick from all these options. And you can also check it right here if you want, just by scrolling down. There are tons to pick from, but let's say I want to pick the earth right here. Just simply tap on it, and as you can see, it is already set for you. You can swipe between styles. Well, let's say I just want this. Once you're done, just tap on add. So set as wallpaper pair. As you can see, it will automatically set it to like that. As I go back, it is now set to the earth wallpaper. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.